I am Manoj Avasthi and I welcome to all of you to SPIC J2 online classes. We are studying narration. In the previous period we studied about tense changing, and then after I told you the rules about pronoun changing. In this period we will understand some uses of pronoun changing. So by giving examples I would like to tell you the rules and regulations of pronoun changing. So now example is given here. Ramesh said to Shyam. Ramesh is the subject, said to is the reporting verb, Shyam is the object of the reporting verb. Then after reported is given follows, I am your friend. This is reported speech. So students, you will see I is the first person pronoun. I have told you what pronoun can be changed according to subject of the reporting verb. So I will be changed according to Ramesh. Ramesh is the subject of the reporting verb. That's why I will remove I and I will use the pronoun of Ramesh over in the place of I. So I will be removed and he will be written here. And comma, inverted comma will be removed and conjunction that will be used. Then after M verb given, M can be used to was. So M will be removed and was will be written. So I am has been converted into he was. I am removed and he was comes in the place of I am. Now we have to see your second person pronoun given. I have told you that second person pronoun can be changed according to object of the reporting verb. Object is given Shyam. Shyam is male gender and its pronoun he or his or him will be used. So we have to see which case of the pronoun has been used. Your is the reflexive, your is the possessive form of the pronoun. That's why his will be used in the place of your. And friend is noun. So said to will be converted into told. Whenever assertive sentences given, said to change into told, conjunction that given, then after first person pronoun change into he, and M used change into was, and your pronoun has been changed into his. In this way, we can make the indirect speech. Ramesh told Shyam that he was his friend. Students, this was the first example, and next example I am going to give you, and I will try to make you understand the uses of pronoun. So again, next sentence. Sanjay said to me, comma, inverted comma, you have done my work. Now we have to understand Sanjay is the subject of the reporting verb, said to is the reporting verb, then me is the object of the reporting verb. Now we have to see reported speech. You have done my work. So you have done my work, this is the reported speech, and inside reported speech we can see some pronouns are given. You, which kind of pronoun? Second person pronoun. So second person pronoun can be changed according to object of the reporting verb. Object कौन दिया है? Me. Me के according you को हम change करेंगे. और इसी तरह से जो my है, ये फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन का पॉजिटिव केस है, I का my पॉजिटिव केस है, और इसको चेंज करेंगे सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग. जो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब का सब्जेक्ट संजय दिया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग my को चेंज करेंगे. तो हम देखते हैं सेट टू को चेंज करेंगे टोल्ड में, कंजंक्शन यूज करेंगे दैट, यू प्रोनाउन को चेंज करेंगे मी के अकॉर्डिंग तो आई बन जाएगा. देन आफ्टर हैव को बदलेंगे हैड में, देन सेम रिटर्न है वर्ब है, माई का हिज हो जाएगा बिकॉज माई प्रोनाउन संजय का प्रोनाउन है, संजय एक मेल जेंडर प्रोनाउन है, उसका पॉजिटिव केस यूज करेंगे तो हिज लिखा जाएगा. इस तरह से हमारा इंडायरेक्ट स्पीच जो निकल करके उभर करके सामने आया वो इस तरह से बना, संजय told me that I had done his work. So students, both of the pronoun have been used. First person and second person pronouns have been used by given examples. First person pronoun can be changed according to subject of the reporting verb, and second person pronoun can be changed according to object of the reporting verb. But there is a rule of third person pronoun that there is no change in third person pronoun. So I will give you one example and I will make you understand that the third person pronoun cannot be changed. So example follows. As I told you that there are three kind of personal pronouns: first person, second person and third person. First person pronoun, I told you first person pronoun I and we, and second person pronoun you, and third person pronoun he, she, it and they. So this table was given to you in the previous classes. Now I will tell you the examples of third person pronoun. Now see third person pronoun example. यार ये कपड़ा बहुत ढीला था, इसको बंद कर दो।